So let's get started. You just wanted to take a little scissors, a little pair of scissors, and start cutting. So throw that away and you try to open it again and make a cut a little bit further. So that looks much better. Now we can open it like this. Put your finger inside it. So here we have it. So you've got a small adapter delivered with it and the SD card itself. So let's take it out. It's also waterproof and temperature proof, so it's not that difficult for the card. It can survive in any circumstances. So it's a very small card. I like the design, especially the two colors, red and grey. So here is the adapter. So you just plug your card here. You can just put it in your regular computer SD card slot. So that's very nice. So guys, let's end this small unboxing with a little test of what's the actual function of the SD card. So I'm going to put it in my S3, so let's see. So I'm going to open my smartphone, my Android, close it off. So, and my phone will automatically start recognizing this card. So let's go to system settings, go to storage, and then you will see that the SD card is mounted. So I can unmount it here. I can see the total space here, the available space. I have not so much stuff on the SD card itself because it's brand new and I just have it a few hours. I only got a little bit of music. Yeah. Besides, I'm going to try to experiment with putting applications on my SD card so that it's not on my internal storage, so that it will save some space on my S3. But I don't think that's that easy, but I'm going to try. And when it works, I'm going to show it to you guys. So this was my unboxing of my SanDisk micro SD card, as you can see. I hope you really liked it. Please like and subscribe to our channel. And see you guys in the next video of Belgium.